everyone! 1½ tablespoons fresh yeast or 2 teaspoons dry yeast. 2 tablespoons sugar. 2/3 cup warm milk. I'm Isabel. Welcome to my channel, where we bake everything in the air fryer. 3½ tablespoons butter. Air fryer baking is easy. Just follow my tips and you'll get it perfect every time. One and 1/8 cups flour, sifted 140 grams. Add 1 teaspoon salt. Give it a good mix. The dough is still a bit wet, so add another 1 cup additional flour. Continue kneading the dough by hand. Help my channel grow. Drop a comment or even just an emoji below. Knead the dough until it's nice and smooth. Grease a bowl with oil. Cover with plastic wrap and leave in a warm spot for 60 minutes. The dough has risen beautifully. Please like this video or leave a comment. It really helps me out. Thank you. Roll it into a ball. Divide the dough into 4 equal pieces. Shape them into small buns. Place the dough into the air fryer basket. I'm using an air fryer with dual heating elements. Score the tops of the buns. Brush the tops generously with water. Bake at 320 degrees Fahrenheit, 160 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. I recommend flipping the buns halfway through the cooking time. Our buns are ready. These look absolutely delicious. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed this recipe. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, it means a lot. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Enjoy.